Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn the numbers. The numbers are very used in our conversations, so it's very important to learn them. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this first number is cero, cero, uno, uno, dos, dos, tres, tres, cuatro, cuatro, cinco, cinco, seis, seis, siete, siete, ocho, ocho, nueve, nueve, diez, diez. So these were the numbers from 0 to 10. Now it gets a little bit more harder. You can repeat after me if you want to practice. Let's continue. Once, once, doce, doce, trece, trece, catorce, catorce, quince, quince, dieciséis, dieciséis, diecisiete, diecisiete, dieciocho, dieciocho, diecinueve, diecinueve, veinte, veinte. So these were the numbers from 10 to 20. Now things get a little bit more tricky from 20 and up, but it's very easy. Let me teach you how to do it. So first of all, we're going to revise the numbers from 10 to 100. Okay, so we said that 10 is 10, 20 is 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, 90 is 90, and 100 is 100. So these are the numbers from 10 to 100. Now, if we want to say, for example, 21, 22, 23, 34, 72, how do we say that? They all follow the same rule. We're going to start with the 20s because the 20s are an exception, but all the others from 30 to 99, they follow the same rule. Okay, so 20, we said that it's 20, 20. Now, what do? We keep the 20. Okay, we keep it. We just remove the E, the letter E, and we add an I. So we say 20, not 20, 20, and we add all the numbers. 21 for 21, 22 for 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So all we do is we keep the 20, we just remove the E, we add an I, and we add all the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 20. So this is how we form the numbers in 20s from 20 to 29. Now, when it comes to 30 to 99, they all follow the same rule and it's very easy. So we said that 30 is 30. So what we do, we add an E to 30. So 30, it stays the same. We just add the Y, letter Y means and. So it's like we're saying 30 and 1. But in English we say 31. But in Spanish it's like saying 30 and 1, 30 and 2. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So these are from 30 to 40. We just add to the 30 the letter Y, which means and then we add all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, depending on what number we're looking for. So from 40 to 99, they all follow the same rules. So we say 40 for 40, and it goes for 41, for example, 41, 42, 43, going on to 99. So 99 would be 99. So it's very, very easy. They all follow the same rule from 30 to 99. So yes, if you have any complications or questions, you can comment down below. We'll answer you right away. Okay, so now here you have a series of exercises. We can rewatch the video, practice the numbers, and come and do it. So here, for example, the first question would be ¿Cuántas mochilas hay? So mochilas means backpack. ¿Cuántas means how much? How much backpacks are they? So this would be the question, and the question is the same for all the objects, just the objects, the fur. So yes, you would try to guess the number. So now you'd be able to say how old you are in Spanish using the numbers or counting or doing anything. So thank you for watching. I hope this lesson was easy. Like and subscribe, and see you next time. Adios.